Types of lighting installation. Weichert Realtors Team Realty, Springtown, Texas. Oftentimes, many people expect only a single source of light to meet all of their needs. However, lighting types such as ambient, task, and accent all have specific functions to fulfill certain needs. Accent lighting is a type of lighting that is generally used to focus on one specific point of interest or to help with achieving a desired effect. In order to obtain a more pleasant amount of illumination, it's always a good idea to avoid harsh lighting that ends up creating annoying shadows. Take the time to install a switch solely for focal lighting, which will be independent from a primary lighting switch that's used for the room. Smart lighting is another interesting type of lighting to consider installing as well. These are lights that are designed to connect via your Wi-Fi network and allow you to completely control how bright your rooms are. Installation is extremely easy as well. Simply screw a smart bulb into any light fixture, making sure it's in an area of your home that receives a good Wi-Fi signal, and connect it to power.